my Ryobi grass trimmer weed eater, the cord stopped advancing when I was bumping it, so it's probably out, and it is. So in order to change it, what we do, we just pull this out and we line this arrow up with the arrow on the cutter like that, and then you should be able to see right through there. Can you see through there, Chris?
Yep.
Okay, and now we've got some replacement cord. This is 10 feet long, and we're just going to thread that right across like this, and then we're going to bring it out even like this. Okay. Now we have this wrench, and I'm just going to and go one more turn here, and we are ready to go. Take my wrench off, and it's all set. Let's give it a try. Excellent. I hope that's helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and when you do, give me a thumbs up and press the bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.